Yesterday I have read a nice article on SAP by Michael Thompson, embedding bars into reports into rows. So this is a simple trick to do this. Let's say for this I'm taking country object, resort, service line. It's up to you. By the way, I'm taking island resort marketing for this one. Hit the run query and let's take it like a quarter two. Okay, hit the run query. Let me push this up. For now I don't need country and resort. Let's apply a section on quarter. Perfect. Next thing is, let's create a variable, name as filler. So I'm creating this variable in order to fill the bar. For this you can use any of the characters, let's say carriage return or the square bracket. For now I'm using carriage return. Just type it 100 times. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10. You can just copy it and paste it 9 times. Okay, and you can make this object as a detail. Perfect. Okay, so the next thing is, we are going to create one more variable which is known as max of revenue. The formula I'm using is max of revenue in block. Okay, you can see the formula here. If you can drag this object here to see which one is maximum. In our case 544576 is the maximum. So let's create one more variable. This is known as revenue, but that's the max. Okay, here now what I'm doing is I'm dividing my revenue object maximum of revenue and I'm multiplying it with 100. So one more trick what I'm doing here is I'm just rounding it to 0. Round it to 0. So in order to avoid decimals. So well, this one will gives me per percentage. Let's say where is my object, revenue by max. If I drop this object here, so it gives me the percentage. Let's say the first one is top, which is 100% exactly. The next one is 22 and this one is 23. Okay, in that way 22% of when you can paste other. So the no finally what I'm going to create is the bar object for this. This is a small trick. Let's say EMB bar. Here what I'm going to use is the substring formula SCBSTR, substring of my filler from 1 to my latest object revenue max. Let's keep it as measure dimension. Okay, now my embedded bar object is ready. If I can drag and drop it here, so let me keep it as out of width. So now this gives me the percentage. This one is 100%, is a 2020. If you want, I can just slightly modify it by adding the percentage values too over there. Simply adding revenue by max. Okay, this way you can see the figures too if I want. That's not a problem. Okay, so in order to look it appropriate, we can just border it up, color it. Let's make it bold and just make it as auto. Doesn't look fine. Let's make it 6 and just change the color of this object. Okay, looks great without bold. Okay, so here's the result. If I just add one more object in, let's say if I drag the country object here, so this one will change automatically. So in this way we have embedded the bars into the report. So this is a simple trick by Michael Thompson again. So that's it for today. You have a good one.